Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, guys. So today we're going to be using this beautiful kit from Sassy Planner Co. It is Once Upon a Fall, and I am sharing with you pretty much all of the kit except for the icons and labels and weekend banner. At first, in the beginning of this video, I am sharing with you last week's spread, which was using the beautiful kit, sorry, Fall Cabin. Jeez Louise, coffee kicking. Alrighty, so that's how last week turned out. So this week, I'm just going to be marking things that I know for a fact that I'm going to be doing, so that I don't keep you guys waiting for the next video. I figured, a little bit of planning ahead, and then I'll just mark down everything else and share with you last week's spread and the beginning of next week's spread, if that makes any sense. Like I did this time around. Alrighty, guys, so I am part of her PR team. If you use Eileen20, you get 20% off and my PR freebie. Those tweezers are from her shop. She sells them. You can get them customizable, and she sells them straight and in bent. This is the bent ones. I prefer the bent. The straight ones are just as good. And now I'm trying to figure out the pattern for the glitter headers. And I also use the washi in the kit as well. So I am just going to be marking off a few little things here and there. Like I said, things that I know that I want to remember or get done. Monday was no school, so I'm going to be using the no school stickers from Samuel Planning, and I am part of her PR team. If you use Eileen15, you'll get 15% off, and my October PR freebie, she changes them each month, so for each month you'll get a different PR freebie. But you'll still get the 15% off discount. So now I'm going to be using some labels, and I'm going to put mark down school days, and yeah, so I also realized at this point that I put the days of the weeks all wonky. I can't believe I did that, but anyway, guys, so as I was saying before, I'm just going to be marking off school after I finish on this, and then one more day. I'm like, wait a minute. Everything looking. So now I'm going to be putting down the school stickers and fixing everything up. I'm also going to be using from her shop as well the YouTube icon, the Instagram stickers, and what else? The Instagram icons I'm going to be marking off. I normally do a PR check-in every day, or I mark PR posts. And as I was saying, I will be also using her work schedule stickers. That is to mark off my husband's work schedule. And at this point, I'm also looking for the glitter headers. I don't know why I keep misplacing everything. So right now I'm just going to be marking off the days off. So he has it starts Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are the days that I have to mark off. Some days are the shift is a little bit longer than scheduled, but I like to kind of remember my days. And like I said, I'm going to be that sticker book is from her shop as well. She did just restock all of her sizes for the sticker albums and sticker books. So that is going to be for the YouTube. That one I'm going to be using to mark editing. I will be using the gorgeous autumn. I believe that's the autumn sunrise or sunset pen. I love her glitter pens. I have like a bunch of them already, and they are so beautiful to look at, and they write like butter, and they make really good photo props, or just if you want to photograph them in general, they are just awesome and amazing. So I'm gonna be now at this point trying to remember what else I need to mark. And it would help if I can put a sticker straight, right? So anyway, guys, as I said, Instagram stickers. So Monday I did upload a plan with me video using the beautiful kit from Semi Lynn Planning. And the therapy sticker is no longer available. I got that from another shop. But Sassy Planner Co. does have some doodle therapy icon stickers, which are super duper, or just doodle therapy stickers, which are super duper cute and will go great with any planner. I am going to be using Luna trash stickers to mark down trash day, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and later on you'll see me put one down for Friday, I believe. I didn't mark off taco night at this point because didn't have a taco sticker in front of me and I kind of forgot. Whoops. That's a huge no-no. So again, alternating between the washi headers and the glitter headers, or washi strips and glitter headers. I'm just using full and half boxes for now. Also scallop boxes, and just to mark off everything at this point. And now at this time I am going to be marking day off stickers from her shop as well. I put that sticker to the side because I'm just going to put David's day off, and I'm like, no, I don't want that sticker there. I'm going to put a day off sticker, just going to put it right there, no big deal. And I also put a Instagram sticker. I don't know why I keep like switching between days. I just should have just put everything. But anyways, I'm making it work. So now I'm going to be working on Sunday, and that's all I'm going to mark is Instagram, work day, and Instagram for that day. Pretty much everything. That's it. Alrighty, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.